Hey, what's up everyone? April 2nd, 2019, there's a new firmware for the Osmo Pocket. It's a version 1.06.00.20. The firmware is approximately 99 megabytes and it's compatible for iOS and Android. So just a tip, in order for you to download and install the new firmware, you just have to use the adapter for your smartphone. Open the Osmo Pocket for just 1 second but make sure that you have the SD card connected and it has at least 100 megabytes free capacity. And when you connect it to your smartphone, it would prompt for download. The download, again, as I've said, is about 99 megabytes. It took me about 3 minutes to install the entire firmware, and you just have to tap the download and select install, and it would install for approximately less than 3 minutes. And once it's installed, it would prompt that the new firmware was successfully installed. And once it's successfully installed, make sure to calibrate again your Osmo Pocket. And so far in my test, there were new features that were added on the Osmo Pocket. Particularly, there's an added tip prompt and display icon when connecting to an external microphone, and there's an option in settings to turn off the beeping sound when pressing the buttons. So that's one of the new features that I like best on the new firmware, especially when you'd like to be discreet. So when you, let's say, record, there's no more beeping sound, so other folks won't notice you that you're recording. And it also optimized the UI Pro settings, and it optimized face detection, and it reduced focus pulsing when switching between scenes. So basically, guys, that's a new firmware that was released April 2nd, 2019. I would hope that it would add more features in the coming months, particularly a feature that would make this become a camera when you connect it to a laptop. So that's it, guys. Let me know your experience on the new Osmo Pocket new firmware upgrade. Thank you.